Welcome to jimmymonk.com and welcome to today's video. Today's video is 30 business collocations for business meetings. And in this one, this is part one, and there will be 3 parts. And in each part, there will be 10 business collocations for meetings. So don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell, and then you will know when the next part of this business collocations for meetings will come out, and it's going to be coming out in the next day or so. As soon as this one's finished and we've published this one, and then we'll get on with the next one. There will be 30 altogether, and very common ones, very, very easily to use. So, without any further ado, without me talking any more about it, let's get on with the collocations. Here we go.
Business collocations for meetings. Call a meeting. Meaning: to schedule or organize a meeting. Example: let's call a meeting to discuss the new project. Chair a meeting. Meaning: to lead or preside over a meeting. Example: Sarah will chair the meeting to make sure it stays on track. Set the agenda. Meaning: determine the topics to be discussed. Example: before the meeting, please set the agenda and circulate it. Kick off the meeting. Meaning: to start the meeting. Example: John will start the meeting with a brief introduction. Take minutes. Meaning: record and document meeting proceedings. Example: Mary will take the minutes during the meeting for reference. Make a presentation. Meaning: deliver a formal talk or demonstration. Example: John will make a presentation on the quarterly financial report. Address an issue. Meaning: discuss or resolve a specific problem. Example: we need to address the issue of declining sales in this meeting. Brainstorm ideas. Meaning: generate creative solutions or ideas. Example: let's take some time to brainstorm ideas for the upcoming new project. Reach a consensus. Meaning: achieve a general agreement or decision. Example: The team worked together to reach a consensus on the budget. Table a motion, meaning propose an item for decision. Example: I would like to table a motion to reconsider the marketing strategy.
And they were your first 10 business collocations for meetings. And like I said before, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and you will find out when the next part is going to come out. And that will be coming out in the next day or so. So as long as you've rung the bell and and done all that, you will know exactly when the next one comes out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.